Hey everybody, this is Mrs. Farber. I am going to be assigning this activity today for you to do in Khan Academy. You have a video to watch and then you have 7 questions. That's it. I always complete the questions before I assign them, and I noticed that I was kind of struggling with these questions, but I figured out why, and so I want to give you a trick. So you're looking at my screen right now. I'm in Khan Academy. It's asking me to construct, which just means make, a 55-degree angle. If you notice, I can move my protractor around. So I'm going to get the center of my protractor to this vertex. I'm going to pull that there. I always need one ray to go through 0 degrees. So I'm going to pull this ray that's down here all the way through 0 degrees. I'm just holding down my mouse. And then if I need to make 55, I don't see a 55 on here, but I know 55 is between 50 and 60. Now, when I go to check my work, it's going to say give it another shot. And I'm sitting here thinking, I'm a math teacher. I know I just made a 55-degree angle. What in the world is going on? Well, when I pull my protractor away, I quickly notice that I'm measuring the outside of the angle. I do not want this outer arc. I want it to be this inner part of the angle. So basically, it's a very easy switch. We just have to switch this ray to go to 55, and this ray has to go to 0. Watch when I pull away my protractor. Now it's in the inner arc, and now it's going to tell me that I am correct. All right, I'm going to go to the next question. This has a circle protractor. This circle protractor, you cannot move. You actually have to move the angle. So I'm going to line up my vertex right in the center of the circle protractor, and it's asking me to make a 180-degree angle. So if I pull this here to 0, or maybe I want to pull this one here to 0. Let's see what it does here. The other one, I'm going to shoot through 180 because that's what it's asking me to do. And let's see if I got this one correct. I did. Okay, I'm moving on to the next question. So here it's asking me to make a 90-degree angle. So I'm going to put my vertex here. I'm going to move this all the way over to 0, and then I'm going to move this up to 90. When I go to check it, it's going to say not quite, try again. Well, when I pull away my protractor, I notice, oh, it's measuring the outside of my angle. I want the arc to be on the inside. So all I have to do is line up my protractor again, switch this ray with this ray. Nope, I didn't even do that actually. There we go. And now when I pull it away, hey, there we go. I've got the square. So I should be good to go. So hopefully that kind of helps you guys. That was one thing that kind of gave me a couple hiccups there. I hope you guys have a happy Easter. Enjoy Friday off and Monday off, and we'll talk to you guys on Tuesday.